Hi friends, thank you very much for clicking my trades. Friends, yesterday we discussed two trades regarding Nifty. You have seen, my dear friends, if you watch this video, I think you have observed that we decided if the market comes up to this level, about 980 level, we'll short Nifty. That means we'll buy PE. And my dear friends, the market has done the same thing. At first, it opens in 940 level, then it comes down, and I was waiting for the market to come up to 980. Friends, it reached up to 976. That means almost it was 980, and a trade is initiated here, perfect trade, and it reached my target up to 880. Friends, this was basically the second target, and the third target was 859, but the market take a perfect support from here. Friends, it is basically a support zone. Yesterday we discussed, and the second trade was I discussed that if the market comes below 850, then we'll short Nifty. But my dear friends, the market did not come 850. As a result, this trade was invalid for today. Trade whatever we have decided, it was really a good shot, and our option achieved about 50 points here. So my dear friends, it was really a good day for me. Now, my dear friends, we have to decide about the tomorrow's program, next day's program, next day's market situations. Friends, the last day of the year, tomorrow it is the last day of the year. Obviously, I wish all of you to earn a handsome profit on the last day of 25. So best of luck for tomorrow. Now, my dear friends, I am going to shift this level. Today, I just removed it. Friends, I am going to change it in day time frame. Friends, you can see here the market has formed a doji candle after a long day. After a long day. Actually, my dear friends, doji refers that there are the existence of the seller from the upper level, and also it refers that there are the existence of the buyer from the lower level. That is why the doji forms. And the market closes in almost 940. That means if you calculate the up and down move, the Nifty has got -3 today. That you can say there is the existence of buyer as well as sellers. That means both are present here. I think after completing their holidays, the bulls have already backed. That is why this type of support Nifty has achieved. Friends, this particular region, that is about 870 or 80, this level is a crucial level, and obviously the market has got a support from a perfect level, because this is the proper trend line. You have seen this is the proper trend line, and not only that, this 880 point is the 0.618 of fib retracement. It is also the fib level. From that particular point, the market has taken its support. Now we have to decide tomorrow's plan. Now I'm going to change its time frame. It's 15 minutes. Friend, you can see here that the market has got a perfect support from this level, that is 880, and this 880 is going to be very much crucial for tomorrow's trade. My dear friends, this level, that is 980 and 880, friends, these 100 points range will be no trading zone for me for tomorrow. I am not going to initiate any kind of trade today, because we cannot predict the market here. The market will be clearly understood after 980 or below 880. If the market opens in 940 to 80 level, if it opens, my dear friends, and if it sustains for some time and cross this hurdle, that is, you can say 990, or even you can say 26,000, if it crosses, so there will be a place which will be open for Nifty to go upside, and that will be about 26,100. That means these 100 point will be open for Nifty. Right? Now friends, let's discuss about tomorrow's trade. Friends, if the market opens in flat position, if the market opens in flat position, that means from 980 to 950, so that will be the perfect trade for us. If the market opens here, and if it's take the resistance, and after that if it breaks the level, so this will be the perfect trade. So my dear friends, if the market opens in 950 to 980 level, and after that retesting this resistance zone, if the market breaks out 990 level, obviously there will be a perfect trade for us in call side, and there is about 100 points to, there is 100 point open, there is 100 points which is open for Nifty, a great room for Nifty to move about 100 points. My dear friends, these will be the first target. My dear friends, these will be the first target. We can long Nifty from here, from this level, that means from 980 level. My dear friends, if Nifty opens in flat position, that means in 940 to 980 level, and if it takes the resistance from here, and after that it comes down, I am not going to initiate, I am going to take any kind of PE position. I am not going to form any kind of PE position. Rather, I will try to find out whether the Nifty is taking here any support or not. And if Nifty gets any support, I think it will be a strong support, because this is the strong support zone right now, and I think the bulls are back and they are trying to hold the market. And I am I am and I and my dear friends, I want Nifty to take support from here and go upwards. So I will try to get a call position from here. So this will be, so my dear friends, this will be my second trade. This will be my second attempt. I am not going to take any kind of PE trade tomorrow here in this position. But the fact is that the FIIDI data is not available right now. That's why it's really very tough to understand what is the situation. But according to price action, the market can open tomorrow in a gap up position. If the market opens above 26,000, that means above 26,040 to 50 level, so my dear friends, there is a chance for a rally in the upside. At that time, I will not take any kind of uh, call position. Rather, I will wait for this position, and there I will try to short Nifty. Here from this point, I will try to short Nifty. I think this will be the perfect trade. If the market comes here in 20, in this level, that means about 26,000, about 200, at that time it will be a strong resistance for Nifty, so I will try to short, and the target will be almost about 980, 25,980. It will be a good trade for me, I think. So my dear friends, there are three types of possibilities for tomorrow's market. I don't think that the market will open in gap down position. I don't think so. But it's market, we cannot say anything. If the market opens in gap down position, and after that it breaks the lower level of 880, then only we can short. Then only we can take P, and the target will be 25,722. That means tomorrow there are various types of chances. We can get the call in upside, we can get the call in downside also. My dear friends, this is my prediction. I think last 2 days you have, if you watch this video, you have seen that we have predicted properly and we have got one trade each day, and obviously it was the perfect trade. So these chances, if you follow this video, if you follow these levels, I think you will also be benefited. My dear friends, let's see tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching this video, and best of luck for tomorrow's trading, and obviously best of luck for the upcoming new years. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.